Keyword grouping features are a game changer when it comes to smarter planning for your SEO or PPC strategy. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use keyword grouping to make your planning more efficient, targeted, and effective. Stick around till the end because I've got a special exclusive free trial offer that will help you implement everything we discuss. So let's dive in. First, keyword grouping is exactly what it sounds like. Organizing your keywords into categories based on themes or intent. Doing this allows you to manage your campaigns more strategically and avoid wasting resources on irrelevant keywords. To get started, you need to collect your list of keywords. If you haven't already, tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs are great places to start gathering your keywords. Once you have your list, the next step is to group them. Start by identifying the common themes or topics among the keywords. For example, if you're targeting an e-commerce site selling shoes, you might group keywords like running shoes, athletic shoes, and sports footwear together. The grouping process helps with smarter planning by giving you the ability to create more targeted ad groups or landing pages. Rather than using a broad keyword strategy, which can spread your efforts too thin, grouping keywords into tighter, more relevant categories ensures that your content or ads are highly targeted. This improves your quality score on platforms like Google Ads, which leads to better performance and lower costs. Now, let's get into some examples. Say you're planning a PPC campaign for a fitness brand. Instead of lumping all keywords into a general fitness category, you might break them into groups like home workout, gym equipment, and healthy living. Each of these groups will have its own tailored messaging and landing page, making your ads feel more personalized, leading to higher conversion rates. You can even take it a step further by looking at the search intent behind each keyword. Are they looking to buy? Are they researching or comparing? Group keywords based on user intent and serve them specific content that matches what they're looking for. This is a huge step towards smarter planning because it ensures you're speaking to each user in the way they want to be spoken to. Another bonus with keyword grouping features is that they help you identify gaps in your strategy. If you notice there's a high volume of keywords that don't fit into any current group, it's a sign you might be missing something. This helps you discover new content ideas, ad opportunities, or target audiences you haven't considered yet. So, what should you take away from this video? Keyword grouping is all about organizing your keywords into meaningful categories to improve the relevance of your campaigns. It saves you time, boosts your targeting efficiency, and helps you build more focused strategies that lead to higher engagement and lower costs. To wrap it up, remember that organizing your keywords into specific groups based on theme, intent, or audience can completely change the way you plan your campaigns. It allows for more personalized content, better targeting, and smarter planning across the board. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of this channel, so it's the perfect chance to start applying keyword grouping to your own campaigns today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.